All right, so you're ready to put everything away, right? And you could leave this clip on here if you want to. If you want to take it off, you just squeeze it and it pulls out just like that. I'll just set it there. Now you want to put your drone away, right? So first thing we've got to do is we're going to pull off our little pieces here, just like that. You should be able to get them off, but not too hard. Just take your time. You know, you don't want to go too crazy. You don't want to break the arm off. Okay, so you want to take this see-through window off of here. You just kind of push it like that, grab it at the bottom, and it just kind of slides off, just like that. Then what you're going to do, I'm going to set this down right here. Then I'm going to grab my drone. I'm going to grab the legs on the outside. I'm just going to kind of squeeze them. Nice and easy, not too hard. And then I want to make sure that my propellers are all even like that. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up, and I'm just going to set it down in there like that. Just like that. Bam. Then I'm going to grab my door, and see this round part? That goes up. Just go like that. And bam, you're ready for travel. Make sure you bring these, though. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff about this drone. Peace out.